Learn digital skills that pay you daily. In today's digital age, acquiring new skills can lead to better job opportunities and increased income. As technology evolves, the demand for digital skills continues to grow, providing various avenues for individuals to monetize these skills. Whether you are interested in web development, social media management, graphic design, or digital marketing, each skill has its unique market and potential for daily earnings. Identifying which skills align with your interests and strengths can set you on a successful path. The resources available for learning these skills have expanded significantly in recent years. Online platforms, tutorials, and courses offer flexible options for individuals to learn at their own pace and convenience. Additionally, creating a free website or blog at WordPress.com can serve as a practical application of your newfound skills, helping you build a portfolio and showcase your work. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your digital skill set and improve your earning potential. For more money-making tips and free PDFs, please visit SmartSkillPath.com.